What is up, what is good, what is going on, knuckleheads and wet shave fans? Coming at you with an unboxing video from the Shave Cave. This is an impromptu one. It's 8:30 at night, kids are in bed, so I figured I'd do it now, get it out to you guys. This is a box from Turtleship Shave Company. If you don't know what Turtleship Shave Company is, I'll post links to their website and to their Instagram down below. They make some of the coolest brushes. Like I said in one of my last videos, they have stuff inside the handles. Amazing, one of the first people ever to do that. Crazy stuff. They have brush stands, brushes, soaps, bunch of different stuff. I have no idea what's in here. So this is going to be my first time seeing it. It's going to be your first time seeing this. But I'm excited because everything they have on their site is awesome. So let's have a look. I reached out to Turtleship actually because I hadn't seen them posting all that much on Instagram, and I love their stuff. It looks amazing. I've heard great reviews on their soaps and their brushes and stuff. But they've been posting more lately, which is awesome. You never see enough shaving brushes. Great looking stuff. Their brush stands are awesome too. They have stuff inside them. Just really unique stuff, which I think is what people want. We want unique, different stuff. Sure, we want our classic stuff, but we want some unique stuff that everybody else has. So let's open this up. What did I do? Okay. Well packaged. I can already smell something. There's definitely some shaving soap in here because I can smell some stuff in there. Let's see here. A couple business cards. Enjoy your shave. Turtleship Shave Company. And that is actually a turtle ship, which is on it. I think it's a warship, I think Japanese warship. So it was covered, the whole vessel. I don't know everything about history of Turtleship. Oh, cool. A cool decal, actually, too. That's pretty awesome. Sweet, thank you. That's awesome. Very cool. Oh. I see two soaps. First one is Bay Rum, Turtleship Bay Rum. Very cool labels. They have the side labels on them. Gotta have the side labels. Bay Rum, Tallow. Let's give it a sniff. I'm a Bay Rum fan. Oh, that's nice. It's a subtle. Some Bay Rums are really strong off the block. This wasn't super strong. Probably like a 5, right in the mid-range. That's a nice Bay Rum though. I really like that. It's almost like a cologne Bay Rum. Very nice, very nice. Thank you for that. Oh. Next one, I didn't even know they had this one. This is cool. Patchouli. Turtleship Patchouli. A lot of guys don't like patchouli, but I don't think they realize that patchouli is in like almost every fragrance. It's just something that brings out other notes. So I don't mind patchouli, so let's give this a sniff. Oh yeah. As you can see, it's actually not as hard as I thought it was. It's hard, but it's not super hard. Apparently I cut my finger open on the scissors. I like that. It's not uberly strong patchouli in your face. Like I'm at the weekend market with a bunch of 70-year-old flower power people. That's actually really nice. I like that a lot, actually. Very cool. Excellent. So that's two soaps. I gotta wash my finger off because I think I cut my hand open on the boxing. Alright, so there's going to be blood everywhere. Okay, excellent. Let's move on. Very well packed. Oh, no way. Oh, cool. This is awesome. Okay. Check this out. The Turtleship razor stand. I'll see a little label on there that comes off. Beautiful. Very, 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 very cool. It's like a light bluish. I don't know if you can tell from the camera. I guess you can tell it's light blue, but like orange in it. That is awesome. Let me see if I can get a razor that fits in there. Oh yeah, this will fit like anything. Very cool. It even fits like my red tip. So that is awesome. Fantastic. So much thanks for that. That's so cool. Also also cool because it'll fit like bulldog handles, thicker handles. It's got lots of room there, which is not just for like one single razor. Very cool. Oh, and one thing left in here. Look at how well packed that is. That's cool packaging. I cannot wait to see this. I've loved these brushes for so long. Oh my god. Wow. 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 Look at that. Look at, I don't know, can you see the anchor in there? And it's like there's seaweed in there too. That is just unbelievable. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. And that knot is beautiful. I love these black synthetic knots. Look at the color of that. I'm gonna turn off the lights and see if it glows, because that'd be freaking awesome. I don't think it does, but who knows? Maybe it does. Let's see. Okay, no, I thought maybe it did. It doesn't. Okay. But no, that is just wow. Wow. So we got the incredible brush. That is incredible. Just holy crap. That is beautiful. That is just, see what I mean? Just like next level, like amazingness. The unbelievably cool razor stand. Those are so cool. And then of course we got the Turtleship soaps, the Bay Rum, and the Patchouli. I'm not sure which one I'll use first, actually. I really like the Patchouli. It just surprised me how much I like this one. And the Bay Rum is awesome. That smells great. So these two to choose from. But kids, look at that. Tell me that's not like amazing. Try to see how that looks. There we go. Look at that. See that anchor in there? Just so wow. Turtleship, thank you. Like, thank you so much. That's amazing. Unreal. Look at this. Am I going on? Am I going on too much? And look, oh, I didn't realize they had that too. Look at that, their little maker's mark on the bottom. See if it'll focus on that. Anyways, it says Turtleship. It's got like their logo on it. That is just gorgeous. That must be like a 26 millimeter knot, maybe? Looks like 26. But, and it's ergonomic too. I like the shape of the handle's awesome. Wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. A billion thank yous for this. The razor stand. The soaps. Wow. Guys, I'll put the links down below. Go check out their stuff. It's incredible. These are other cool brushes that have like 3 levels of different colors. The Nostalgia collection, I think it's called. But just awesome stuff. Like you saw that. Just cool. Just amazing. Anyways, thank you so much. I'm so pumped. I cannot wait to use this on my next shave. Gonna use the soap, the razor. Yeah, amazing. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for everybody's support. From artisans to the viewers, everybody that chimes in, comments. Love hearing your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried anything from Turtleship, if you were going to, if you follow on Instagram or anything like that. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. Roll the music. Deuces.
1, 2, 3, 4.